Welcome to the birthplace of humanity, where this heritage has sculpted a culture filled with unique expressions. With 7 UNESCO World Heritage Sites in our borders, this is a nation that embraces and celebrates the diversity of her historical landscape and her people.